Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osu, Mania. This exciting rhythm game mode challenges your keyboard skills as notes fall down the screen. Your main goal is to press the corresponding keys exactly when the notes reach the hit bar at the bottom. It's all about timing and coordination, offering a unique and engaging musical experience for players of all skill levels. Get ready to tap to the beat. Choosing the right keybinds is crucial for a comfortable Osu, Mania experience. Most players opt for a 4-key, 6-key, or 8-key setup. For example, a common 4-key layout uses the ASD keys or perhaps DFKJ. Experiment to find what feels most natural for your hands. Also, remember to adjust your scroll speed. A faster speed can make notes appear less dense, while a slower speed gives more time to react. Find your sweet spot. In Osu, Mania, you will encounter a few different note types. The most common are standard notes, which simply require a quick tap as they align with the hit bar. Then there are hold notes. For these, you must press and hold the key down for the entire duration of the note. Less frequently, you might see release notes, where the timing is on releasing the key. Mastering these distinct note types is key to higher scores and better gameplay. To truly excel at Osu, Mania, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing maps with a lower difficulty to get a feel for the rhythm and improve your hand-eye coordination. Focus on hitting notes with high accuracy, aiming for 300 points per note, rather than just trying to clear the map quickly. As you improve, gradually challenge yourself with harder songs and even try different key modes, like 6-key or 8-key, to broaden your skills. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.